Elon Musk's latest tweet has sparked confusion about astronauts on the ISS, but is there more to the story? Stick around to find out. Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is January 30th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest news surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content here reflects public news and not our opinions. Let's get started. Elon Musk recently caused a stir with a tweet claiming that former President Trump had asked SpaceX to bring home two astronauts, Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams, who he suggested were stranded on the International Space Station. NASA quickly clarified that the astronauts are safe and not stranded, as they are part of a planned rotation. They arrived via Boeing's Starliner, which faced technical issues, but their return is scheduled with the Crew 9 mission in early April. Musk's tweet, which some speculate was meant as trolling, has raised eyebrows for its potential political undertones, seemingly aimed at the Biden administration. NASA emphasized that an early return would disrupt ISS operations, leaving only one astronaut aboard temporarily. Despite the controversy, the astronauts are in no immediate danger, and their return is proceeding as planned. Adding to the ISS drama, former President Trump took to Truth Social, urging Musk to go get the astronauts, claiming they were virtually abandoned by the Biden administration. Musk responded, saying SpaceX would bring them home if needed. However, NASA and SpaceX have coordinated the astronauts' extended stay due to delays with Boeing's Starliner capsule. This is not a rescue mission, but a logistical adjustment. The Crew 9 mission, which includes the astronauts' return, is on track for March 2025, ensuring a smooth transition with the upcoming Crew 10 mission. The situation highlights the complexities of space operations and the interplay of politics and public perception. In other news, the Trump administration has announced a controversial buyout program for federal workers, drawing comparisons to Elon Musk's workforce reduction strategies at Twitter. Federal employees are being offered 9 months' pay to resign voluntarily, with the deadline set for February 6th. Critics argue this could lead to talent loss and increased costs, as contractors might be hired to fill critical roles. Concerns are particularly high in cybersecurity, where employees fear vulnerabilities could rise. Some workers are even considering legal action, alleging privacy and security risks with a new email system. This move reflects Musk's broader influence on government efficiency policies, though it has sparked significant backlash. Turning to Tesla, Elon Musk has unveiled plans for a self-driving ride-hailing service in Austin, Texas, set to launch in June 2025. This service will operate without drivers, relying on Tesla's upcoming unsupervised full self-driving software. While Tesla owners won't be able to add their vehicles to the fleet until 2026, Musk described 2025 as potentially the most pivotal year in Tesla's history. The company is taking a cautious approach, aiming for safety levels that exceed human drivers. Discussions with Austin officials are ongoing, and the service represents a significant step toward Musk's vision of autonomous transportation. Finally, Tesla has confirmed that its HW3 self-driving computers will need to be replaced to achieve the promised full self-driving capabilities. This marks a significant shift, as Tesla previously claimed that all cars produced since 2016 were FSD capable. Musk acknowledged the challenge, but assured that replacements would be free for owners with the FSD package. However, this raises questions about millions of HW3 vehicles and Tesla's earlier marketing claims. The company will need to design a new computer for retrofitting, as the current HW4 is incompatible with HW3 vehicles. This development could lead to legal and logistical hurdles, but Tesla remains committed to fulfilling its promises. That wraps up today's episode of the Elon Daily News. From ISS controversies to Tesla's ambitious ride-hailing plans, there's never a dull moment in the world of Elon Musk. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow for more updates on everything Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Take care.